Hey guys, how are you? Today our topic is big mistakes that made building failure. First of all, move towards introduction. Most building professionals have investigated or performed remedial designs for at least one architectural or engineering system failure during their careers. Other practitioners, especially those who work for forensic consultants or firms specializing in disaster response and repair, are more familiar with the variety and extent of building failures, as they assist their clients in restoring damaged or deficient buildings. The advent of social media and 24-hour news channels, along with the general ease of finding more examples of failures in the internet, have made us realize that building failures in the broad sense are much more common than we may have realized. Now move towards our main topic: causes of building failure. So stay with us. Before move towards causes of building failure, we have to know about what is building failure. What is building failure? Your viewpoint on the frequency of the occurrence of failures in our industry likely depends on your definition of a failure. Some would argue that the term building failure applies only to major collapses of an entire building or structure. Others, particularly many forensic engineers, are of the belief that a failure is any component or system that does not perform as intended. With that in mind, a building failure would include the IF's facade failure from wind shown on the left, as well as the structural collapse. Now move towards our main topic: causes of failure. This broader definition in the context of the building industry would include myriad building performance problems associated with roofs, facades, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, MEP, system balancing and control, structural serviceability, and so on. From that perspective, a non-inclusive list of structural and architectural/building system performance failures consists of the following: structural failures of all types, including those caused by natural disaster, building envelope water and moisture performance problems, facades, roofing, waterproofing, flashing, sealants, and related issues, durability, deterioration, maintenance, and repair of newer and historic buildings, design and construction errors, including those that occurred during erection, adjacent construction, infrastructure servicing and industrial mining operations, inadequately conceived, designed or constructed temporary structures, material defects, failures related to confusion, over-design and construction responsibility, comfort, performance and control of MEP systems, cost issues, and failure to meet budgets. If you enjoyed our today's video, then do like and share our today's video, and subscribe our channel, Civil Engineering Guru.